Hey you guys, long time no see. Excuse the mess behind me. I will explain that in a minute, but I just wanted to get back on here and say hi, let you guys know that I'm gonna be vlogging again. I have a couple fun videos coming up. The last couple months I haven't been vlogging and there's good reason, so I'll just get right to it. So I owned a property management book of business, and recently I was given the opportunity to release that to somebody else. So I took the chance and the opportunity. I'm still a property manager, I'm still licensed, and now there are 4 people doing the job that I did by myself. So that kind of gives you an idea of how busy I was and why I couldn't vlog as much as I wanted to. So I just wanted to fill you guys in on what had been going on. I can vlog more, so I'm really excited about that. And the reason for the mess behind me is because there's a bunch of my office stuff that's now in my office at my house, and I just haven't organized it yet. So yeah, that's me in a nutshell over the last couple months. Busy transitioning, releasing some responsibilities, and I have a lot more free time. So yeah, it's really, really great. There's just beautiful birds outside. Sorry, squirrel. So I am going to continue today's vlog. It's like 3:30 or something, so I don't have much of the day left, but I'm going to continue today's vlog for the rest of the stuff that we do this evening. I'm going to cook dinner and probably run some errands, not totally sure, but let's go. He's a good husband. It snowed and so he's getting it all nice and clean. Hey guys, so I just took Brandon to his truck. I just want to show you these mountains. Hold on, I'm going to flip the camera around. Look at that. It's stunning. I live. Seriously? It's like a picture book everywhere you look. Hey guys, so I have some extra apples, so I'm going to make an apple crisp, and I'll show you what I do. So I cut up all the apples, and now I'm going to make the streusel topping. It's 3/4 of a cup of oats, a 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour, some cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 1 tablespoon of butter. So I'm going to mix that together, and then I will assemble it. So the filling is just the apples that I have. It's about 4 cups of apples, and then you mix it with some cornstarch and cinnamon and nutmeg, and then you bake it at 350 for an hour. So I'll put the recipe below, but we'll enjoy it afterwards. So we decided, I have the apple crumble for dessert in the oven, and for dinner we decided to do this pinwheel. I'm going to show it to you. We get it from Mind and Meat, and I just buy one at a time because they're usually pretty large, so Brandon and I can split it. But it's this marinated skirt steak. You can kind of see it. Marinated skirt steak. I think this is feta, spinach, bacon, and then you just bake this in the oven. So we're gonna have this and a side salad, and then apple crumble for dessert. Okay, so on the salad, there's just spinach, strawberries, sliced almonds, and some avocado. And now I'm gonna make the dressing. It's mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, honey, poppy seeds, and salt and pepper. So I'll put that recipe below. There's our beautiful salad. Hi, honey. So we have our apple crumble, and we are going to decide what to watch on TV for before we go to bed. This crumble is really good, but it's not super juicy. So next time that I do it, I might pop in a Granny Smith apple or add some lemon juice to the apple mixture just to give it a little bit more juice, because the topping kind of soaks it all up. So it's really good though, and it's really good with ice cream. But yeah, I would prefer to have some more liquid in mine. Hey guys, so last time I vlogged, we left off and Brandon and I had that apple crisp that was on Saturday, and we watched Waco, which if you guys haven't seen it, it is so sad, it's so crazy, and I would totally recommend watching it. But anyway, we watched that, we went to bed, we got up, went to church, hung out with the fam, and just took a Sunday to hang out. So there's a plant right there, and I thought it was my hair sticking out. Anyway, so now it is Monday, and I just got a package delivered to the door. So I got a Bath and Body Works order, and I wanted to show you what I got. So let's start with, I got some body cream, amber and argan. I really liked the packaging on this. Ooh, something's on my hand. Ooh, it smells really good. Flowers all fell out of the little packages. Ruh-roh, Shaggy. I tried to match my hand soaps and hand creams. So I got warm vanilla sugar, watermelon lemonade, that's cute, vanilla coconut. I was thinking the amber and this would go well together. I have the Creamy Luxe peach lotion, or peach hand wash, so I got the lotion. I have a mint hand lotion, so I got a mint hand wash, and a Japanese cherry blossom one, matching set. So what I do is I just wait for this stuff to go on sale, and then I just stock up. So that's what this all is. And then I randomly got this Honolulu Sun one. I'm not sure which lotion I was thinking would go with that, but I got that one. It's pretty. This praline pecan, I know I like this one a lot. It's very warm and smells like you're cooking in your house, so I like that one. But they came out with these new candles, and let me open it. They're like simple looking, and to be honest, these look a lot bigger in the picture than they are. So there's that candle, and here is the normal candle, so you can tell they're not a ton bigger. This one is just peach. Oh, it smells really good. Need to change this hat. Doesn't fit my head right. This is the other candle I got. It's carrot nectarine. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my gosh, it smells so clean. Oh my gosh, I love that.